Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa milk. Making your own plant-based milk is surprisingly easy and offers a fresh, wholesome alternative to store-bought options. We'll walk through a straightforward process that requires just a few basic items. You'll discover how simple it is to create a delicious, creamy, and nutritious beverage right in your own kitchen, perfect for various uses. To begin, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, which is about 1/2 cup uncooked, and 3 to 4 cups of filtered water. For flavor, consider adding 4 dates for sweetness, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Essential equipment includes a powerful blender and a nut milk bag or fine mesh strainer for a smooth finish. First, rinse 1/2 cup of uncooked quinoa very well under cold water to remove any bitter saponins. Next, cook the rinsed quinoa with 1 cup of water for about 15 minutes until fluffy, then let it cool completely. Once cooled, combine the cooked quinoa, 3 cups of fresh water, and your chosen flavorings in a high-speed blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy, typically for 1 to 2 minutes. Finally, strain the mixture through a nut milk bag or fine mesh strainer to achieve a silky smooth milk. Proper storage ensures your quinoa milk stays fresh. Pour your freshly made milk into an airtight container and refrigerate it immediately. It will keep well for up to 5 days. You might notice some natural separation, so simply give the container a good shake before each use. This delicious, homemade quinoa milk is perfect for adding to your morning cereal, blending into smoothies, or simply enjoying chilled on its own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.